Hi, my name is Leslie. I live in Mexico, so I'm strongly motivated to improve my Spanish. And I was especially interested in learning more colloquial Spanish, slang, real conversations, which has been a challenge in all the other Spanish programs that I've used before. The other Spanish programs have been either very vocabulary based or very formal in situations that aren't realistic. So for example, I just did this one other program where it was like, the cow made me breakfast. I don't think I'm ever going to say that. So Jumpspeak is much more realistic. It's practical. It's something you would use with a friend or a neighbor. The other thing I love about Jumpspeak is that it's quick. I can do it in between meetings or standing in line while I'm waiting for something. It's very engaging. The tech always works, unlike many of my other programs. So it's fun, which, you know, if it's not fun, chances are I'm not going to stick with it. I would suggest, and I actually have suggested Jumpspeak to my new neighbors who are beginning Spanish speakers, is that the artificial intelligence component of Jumpspeak really makes it interesting. Even though I'm an intermediate speaker, I still feel kind of weird practicing with humans. So you feel kind of embarrassed and you don't want to make a mistake, and oh, they're gonna, be bored, or it's a waste of time for them. So with the AI, I don't have to worry about that at all. It takes embarrassment off the table. I don't care if my phone thinks I'm stupid or I give a wrong answer. So I think that's really innovative technology that for most of us language learners is really a benefit. I've tried, I really honestly think every language program there is out there, especially every app, all the basics that everyone tries. And I feel like they only get you to a point, it's mostly vocabulary, it's memorization. I know that's well and good, but A, it's not fun, and B, it's just not, it doesn't translate into real life conversations. With Jumpspeak, to me, it's the most it's funny, it's the most natural, even though it's artificial intelligence, it's the most natural conversation based program that I've ever used before. Real life situations, real life slang, and the cadence of the conversation to me is much more real than every other program I've learned, which is all the other ones are very stilted, very academic, very classroom kind of based. Where to me, Jumpspeak is real life. I love the fact that it's in short little nuggets. So if I have a lot of time, I can do several. If I only have a little bit of time, I can do one. I like the fact that I practice not only my listening skills, but my speaking skills, excuse me, and that it's not typing based, because I don't care, honestly, if I can spell the words correctly. That's not I'm not going to school. I'm not going to be graded on papers. I just want to be able to talk to people in a real and genuine kind of way. And Jumpspeak, I think, allows me to do that.